Turn your photos into conversation. Discover how to add text to your Instagram picture and captivate your audience within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add text to Instagram picture. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your screen and make sure to sign into your account. Now tap the profile icon at the top left and select the picture from your gallery. After selecting the picture, you can also apply filters by tapping on the filter icon. You can also add music by tapping on the music icon. On the posting screen, tap on the text icon at the top of your screen and add text to your photo. You can also change the font of the text. You can also further use emojis and hashtag. After writing your text, tap on the Done button. Review your edits and caption, then tap your story to publish it. So this is how to add text to your Instagram picture. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.